Introduces 2G, the piece of fertile land on the left hand of Saigon River. Trained soldiers. Those are fighting
Firstly, I would like to introduce you. This is the entrance to the tunnel. But now we wide the tunnel for tourists. You know, last time tunnel no roof, no big entrance like this. From here, we can follow the tunnel and go up there. This tunnel about 15 meters. When you go inside the tunnel, you have to bend down the body. You have to go like this, and sometimes like this. Yeah. Anyone have problem with hers, asthma or claustrophobic? Can you wait for me over there? And now, if you want to try one by one, follow me. Yeah. This way.
Hey, what's up?
No, you go ahead. You go ahead.
Oh, sorry.
Can you look at down there? So this is the well, water wells. Supply the fresh water for drinking and cooking.
Okay.
Local people never use the water from outside because 1966 and 1967, U.S. Army dropped the bomb, Agent Orange and chemical. Anywhere have poison, so that they get the water from here.
Okay.
That's underground water wells. That's where about 12 meter deep. Get it. Okay, going left. Very complicated. Total length of the tunnel more than 250 kilometers long. Basically, Cu-Chi Tunnel included 3 levels. The tunnel you saw over there, that's a level 1. First level is about 3 meters deep from the surface. Second one 6 meters, and the deepest tunnel 10 meters. Local people built many different bunkers on the first level for living and fighting. Over here you see that's one more tunnel. Underneath that's the fighting bunker. Last time local people can shoot from here. And from there, the bunker, from underground they can looking outside. But how they can go inside the bunker, where the entrance? Yeah, everybody look at down here. Yeah, I would like to show you the secret entrance to the bunker. This is the original one. Yeah. The real one only 30 by 40 centimeter.
People do fit here?
Yeah, they can figure. You too. Yeah, so many tourists bigger than you, they can figure.
Must be very
So
scary.
now, let your turn. If you want to try, can you enter here and then come to the bunker? Have look the fighting bunker. When you come out, the exit over there on the right hand side. I will open it for you. The small entrance, but when you go inside the tunnel, it's more bigger. And follow the line with the line inside. Yeah. Okay, keep coming up.
Yeah, he says so. It's gonna go.
Take a photo of me, whatever. Oh my god, it's so cute. To the right?
Yeah, going right.
Where do I go?
To the right.
To the right.
Okay.
I'm scared. Can you breathe?
You're right.
Okay, I'm not gonna go.
Could you please just stick my...
You can put your backpack under the tree.
Can you take camera? When you go down, take a camera and...
You want me to film it?
Okay.
It doesn't go.
We can execute.
I
Went in and
all-
went out.
Bamboo trap. It's made by bamboo spice. But you know, last time they put some snake poison and scorpion poison on the top of the spice.
అంటే ఎవడైనా అనుకోకుండా కాలు పెడితే చచ్చిపోతాడు.
Everything were undercover. What do you know during the rainy season? If they go like this, it's easy for the American follow the footstep, the footprint. Look at the sandal. In Vietnam, we call that the Ho Chi Minh sandal. It's made by rubber tire, by truck tire. Sometimes local people design the sandal like this. The front up sandal with the back up sandal is similar size, same size. So if they wear that sandal when they go ahead or when they come in this sandal.